welcome to today's video. As you can see by the title of this video, it is unfortunately midterms week. Starting this video off bright and early Monday morning. I actually have a midterm today. It's for my second class, so we have a lot of prepping to do for that. Also, if you're new here, hi, my name's Melanie. I am a senior at Pepperdine, so this is actually my final midterm season because I'm graduating early. I would love for you to subscribe and join the family. So let's get into this week. Not that this is super midterms related, but this is my outfit for today. I still have my slippers on. It's the fit for the day, and I'll catch you guys at school. Okay guys, so I made it to school safely. I come to class like super early because parking has been a hot mess at Pepperdine, and I've mentioned in some of my past videos that I've been such a car girly. Like, I just sit in my car for a really long time depending on how early I get to class and stuff, but this is actually gonna be my study space right now because I know I stress myself out a lot, but I need every second I can get for these exams coming up. I didn't explain super well, but I took one exam Friday. I have one today at 2 p.m. for managerial econ. Last week was quant. I know you guys probably don't care about my classes, but I'm running it through my head. And then Wednesday at like 6 p.m. I have one for marketing. So I just need to I know I'm going to feel so relieved when they're done, but right now I'm just like not doing well because I just get stressed about these tests. So I'm going to study in my car for a little bit. I have like 20 minutes before I need to head to class, but I'm going to look over my notes, might even whip out the laptop, might even do a couple practice problems. We'll see, but you got to do what you got to do. Computer is in fact coming out. Study setup right now. Very nice, very nice. Guys, I just want to show you how much practice I've been doing for this. Starting right here is when I started studying for this exam. So all of these pages, oh my gosh, thank goodness I use an iPad. That would have been a lot of paper. Hey guys, so I just got out of my midterm. I am not even gonna lie, that test felt not good. You know, when you just know you did something wrong, and I think it's the perfectionist in me that just it eats away at me. I'm like, I really studied for 5 hours just to forget this, you know, but unfortunately the grind doesn't stop here because I still have a couple more midterms coming up. I actually realized today while I was at school and looking at my schedule that I don't just have one midterm coming up. I have a midterm paper that I didn't realize I actually have due this week. So that means we have a lot of time set aside for studying. I'm actually at the library right now. I'm going to try to get a study guide done before I get home, where I'm just gonna study more. But school's really testing me right now. I feel like you guys can definitely tell by my energy levels. I'm so tired. But I also guess what did I expect? Because I'm definitely overloaded on credits. I've kind of mentioned this, but I'm pretty over enrolled in classes. Typically when you're in a semester, I feel like you take 4 or 5 classes, and I'm in 6 right now because I'm graduating early, and honestly I feel like I'm in the rough of it. Hopefully it's just this week because it's midterms. I guess that means finals is gonna be really bad, but yeah, definitely catching up with me, but hopefully it will be worth it to graduate early. friends, so I finished my study guide. It is 15 full pages long, and I am gonna go to Trader Joe's to cheer myself up. That's how you know school's bad and I'm adulting, because my treat to myself is going grocery shopping, but it's still a treat. So I'll catch you guys at Trader Joe's. Hey friends, it may be hard to believe, but I have genuinely been studying like this whole time since I got home quite some time ago. It's like 12:30 now and I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hello friends and good morning. It is Tuesday. It is gonna be like the chillest day of my week, which I am happy about. It's like 10:30 right now. I love when I get these late starts to my day. I'm gonna head to school in about 30 minutes. Also, I wanted to show you guys my outfit for today. You can't see, but these are the shoes I'm wearing. I love this sweater. It's so comfy. I like how oversized it is and stuff, and I love striped sweaters in general, but something about this one, maybe it's like the width of the stripes and obviously the fact that it's red and white, but I'm having so much trouble styling it, even though like I love it, just because everything I wear makes me look like, I almost called him Wally. Where's Waldo? That's not the look I'm going for, but I think we did okay today. Even if we didn't, it's comfy. It's fine. Don't tell me. Okay, I'll see you guys at school. So I'm back at home now. I haven't been filming that much because honestly I feel like all I do is eat, sleep, and study, which obviously this is a midterms vlog, but I wasn't sure if I was going to talk about this, but editing, Melanie can decide if she wants to cut it. Just the way I've been feeling with school, I have had this weird shift in mindset where I used to be so perfectionist with school. You know, even in elementary school, if I didn't get like the best grade or whatever, I would be so upset. Like basically I would just put so much of my worth in school because for the longest time that's what we're all labeled as. We're all students. I just took that identity like really to heart, I guess, and it was something that I felt like I excelled at, I guess. Like, I don't know, I always put all of my effort into my schoolwork, so I wanted to see that effort reflected in my grade. This is just basically jumbled head. It's like midnight, but this is me coming on here to tell you guys, to also tell myself, that your worth is not your grades. Of course, we love good grades. We love working hard, we love studying, and we love seeing a good grade and result. But you know what? If you get a bad grade, it doesn't mean you're dumb and worthless. That's the last thing it means. As much as I love study content, I think it's also really important to remember that you're not going to be the best at every single subject, and there's a lot of other things that can't be shown on a test or on paper. Your worth is not shown from a grade or a number. So put your effort in, try as hard as you can, but at the end of the day, if you don't get the grade that you want, it is really not the end of the world. I'm like saying this as motivation, but I know when I get my scores back, I'm gonna have to rewatch this clip and listen to my own advice. All of that being said, it's like past midnight and I'm so tired, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Hello friends, it is now Wednesday. I am off to school. By the end of today, when I get back home, I will be done with 3 midterms officially, so I'm excited for today to be over with, basically. I was gonna show you my outfit. It's very basic though, but I have these fun sunglasses. We'll catch you guys when I am at school. so I finished my first class. I'm now just chilling at the library, trying to get some studying in and trying to work on my essay midterm that is going to be due in 2 days. Okay, so I have a little bit of time. But for my first class, it was nonprofit management, and we actually helped with calling for fundraising, which was so interesting. It was definitely a change in pace. Like, we were doing the scripted, like, calling, like, hey, please donate to Pepperdine. So that was some hands-on experience. We also got in and out, but now I am back to the study grind, as you guys have been used to in this video. I also will update you guys. I got my score back for my econ exam, and all my scores have been like okay, but like not great. Like I wouldn't say I'm happy with them, but I really have to remind myself the talk I gave myself last night. Like, it will be okay. It'll be okay. Hey friends, it is now 9 p.m. I just got home from my class. It usually goes until 9, but we got out a tiny bit early, which, like, I should be grateful, but he had us take a midterm and then taught us a lesson right after, and I was like, please let me go home. Anyways, the news you guys all have been waiting for, but this one did not feel good. I hate coming out of a test, and it feels so bad. I just felt like I studied completely wrong, and it's always like that for the first test you've taken by a professor. That's why it's so nice to take the same professor multiple times, and you're just used to their teaching style and their testing style. That's it for today. Hey friends, so I am about to head off to school. I wanted to show you my outfit. Top is from Brandy. I really love it. I think it's so cute, but it's a little cold, so I also have this little plover cardigan, also from Brandy. These shorts are from Zara, but I thrifted them. For my shoes, I'm gonna wear these little Doc Martens. I've been really into like stacking my rings. I also did my nails recently. I like love stress doing my nails. Like, it's very relieving for me. Today we just have a normal day of class. 2 classes today. My Friday class was canceled, so it's gonna be a 4-day week for me, which I love, but I will see you guys after class. Also guys, I don't know if you can see it, but I tried out the bow trend. Not gonna lie, I spent like 20 minutes trying to learn how to tie a bow, because you know when you tie it and it's like crooked, it was just driving me crazy, but I think I figured it out. I feel like it looks cute. I think I'm gonna be on board with this trend. I just finished my first class. I have 4 whole hours until my next class, so I'm taking myself shopping to treat myself for finishing 3 out of 4 midterms, but that's what's up right now. It's also blazing hot. Like, it's like 95 degrees out today. I don't know why it's so hot. It's literally October. Hey friends, so I just finished doing a little bit of shopping, and now I am posted up at Alfred's and I'm gonna work on my essay. Sometimes it's just nice to study somewhere other than school, even though this is like 2 minutes from my campus. Once again, I don't have class till like 4, it's like 1 p.m. so hopefully I can get a good amount done. And this is my first time actually trying matcha from Alfred's, so I'm pretty excited to try it. I love their vanilla syrup, so I can't imagine it being bad, but let's get some work done. Welcome, I'm back home. As stated earlier, I have a little haul. Starting off with Brandy, I went for one thing. This was honestly just such a silly little purchase. Like, why do I like this? This is something little kids would wear, like if they're playing like rec soccer or something. And then the other thing I decided to get today is this sweatshirt. I just wanted to get, oh my gosh, I just wanted to get a nice Malibu sweatshirt before I leave since it's my last semester. So this is kind of like a little sentimental thing. Then from Sephora, my little birthday gift, and it's miniature perfumes. I got this Summer Fridays kit. Definitely wasn't planning on getting this, but I wanted this really bad when it came out. But these stain so beautifully and I love the color. I got it in the color Honesty. That was it for my little haul. Anyways, I've been home for a little now. I was doing some cleaning. Definitely have homework I could be catching up on and like getting ahead of, but I'm only focusing on my paper. I got a really good chunk of it done earlier today when I was at Alfred's, which I was actually really impressed by because I've been struggling to write it so much. Hopefully I will have a completed rough draft done by tonight. Tomorrow I can revise it and submit it, and then I will officially be done with my final midterms of college ever. Hey guys, I didn't have any class today, but my school holds this little carnival thing. I just got back from that. That's why I'm eating a churro, but I unfortunately still have my assignment, so I am going to finish this up and submit it, and it will officially be at the end of my midterms week. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited for this week to be over. But yeah, thanks guys for joining me. It was a long week, but we worked hard, and I will just see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys.